In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add a shortcut on the home screen of your Android device to a custom QR code profile card, where you can easily share your complete business contact information with prospects and existing clients. Make sure you've downloaded the QR code that was emailed to you, and you know where that file is located on your device. We're now ready to move on to the next step. The first thing you'll want to do is find the QR code that you've downloaded. On your Android device, find your My Files app, which should be installed by default on your Android phone. Once you've navigated to the correct place on your device, you will look for a file name that has your first and last name, along with MDC and an extension of PNG. In this tutorial, we're looking for Jane Doe MDC.png. Once you've located the file, do a long press on the file name to select it. Then, go up to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on the 3 stacked menu dots. From the flyout menu, select Add Shortcut. Add that shortcut to your home screen. Then, do a long press on the icon, and then drag the new shortcut icon to the place you'd like to have it on your home screen, for easy future access. Once you've completed this task, you can simply click on the shortcut when wanting to share your contact information. The first time you click on the shortcut, it might ask you what app you'd like to use to open the file. Simply select Gallery and your device should remember this. By clicking on the shortcut, your phone will display the QR code. Anyone you're wanting to share your contact information with can simply use their phone to scan your QR code. When someone scans your QR code, they will see all of your contact information. You can remind them, if they would like to save your contact information, to simply press the Save Contact Data link in the lower right-hand corner of their screen.